Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It's Simple. Let's find out how we can add an Ask button in Tumblr. First, from your dashboard's account link, you need to select your blog. Now, on the right side, we have blog settings. If you click on it, we have this page in the middle. Now, scroll down until you find Let People Ask Questions under the Ask portion. Now, if you toggle this to off, even though if your theme has an Ask button, it will not show it. But if you turn it on, toggle this on, you can see Ask Me Anything or something like that. If you want to change the title of that Ask button, we can write in here Inquire Me. Alright, let's check if it has taken effect. Let's go to our address BR Pikachu Lady. Here it is, Inquire Me. It was Ask Me Anything before. That's how you add an Ask button in Tumblr. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.